Yo, what is good everybody? Welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we have something extremely special planned as we have one of the most highly anticipated pieces to ever drop from Minimal on its way. We have the cropped puffer jacket. Now, if you do follow me on social media, then you know I kind of leaked a couple pictures of this jacket. And since then, I've gotten a ton of questions over the past few months relating to its official release date. I can happily say to you guys that it is very close. It's on the horizon. And here they are. Today, we're gonna be looking at the new cropped puffer jacket. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So just before we get into today's video, I did want to encourage you to hit the link in the description and sign up for email notifications. Guys, I cannot emphasize that enough if you have any interest in a specific piece, as it is gonna be very limited. Production for this jacket was very strenuous and was more on the expensive side. So if you have any interest at all in this jacket, be sure to sign up for email notifications. So here they are in all their glory. We have the cropped puffer jackets, and guys, the weight was absolutely well worth it. We have the washed vintage camo here, as well as a washed black. So well executed. Now, as previously stated, this is going to be a very limited garment because from what I heard, it was a very difficult garment to perfect. The details on this jacket are insane. First and foremost, this is the first garment ever from Minimal to include official Ykk zippers. These zippers are big, size 8, and chunky. And as many of you guys may know, Ykk makes some of the best zippers on the planet. With those zippers include the black contrasting stripe, which add a nice pop of color to the camo and work seamlessly with the black colorway. Now, working from the inside out, the lining is going to be comprised of a very high quality nylon. Its purpose was to be very comfortable, very durable, and feel great on the skin. Just above that, there is an insulating puffer material, which is perfect for keeping you warm in those cold winters. But the best part has to be the fabric material. Now, Minimal went through a ton of work to perfect the outside shell, that nice washed look. And from my understanding, they actually cut the fabric, washed it first, treated it first to have that vintage look, and after that cut the fabric into panels and put it all together so everything is cut and sewn. There was definitely a lot of thought and detail put into these garments. Now, for the sake of transparency, they could have easily produced the garment and then wash it afterwards, but what would come out of that would be dark spots on the seams, so it would look like the jacket was an old jacket, but Minimal wanted to produce something that was made to look washed. So they spent the extra money, took the extra mileage, and produced what you see today. And as you can see, there are no dark spots at the seams. Well done, Minimal. Honestly, the attention to detail was insane when putting together these jackets, and I must say the juice was absolutely worth the squeeze because, I mean, look at this final product. So well done. Now let's get into the fit and sizing. This specific piece breaks almost every single design rule, as the proportions as it relates to this garment just scream streetwear. Honestly, this has to be one of the most unique jackets I've ever seen Minimal produce. As its name entails, this is a cropped puffer jacket, which essentially means it finishes well above the waistline. The jacket also features extended sleeves which go well past the wrist. So when the jacket is actually laying out on the floor, we have a cropped midsection while the sleeves are extended. Now, the general rule of thumb with regard to producing jackets, the sleeves generally finish exactly where the waistline finishes. That's what I meant about this jacket being very unique and breaking almost every design law. But with that said, this jacket has a ton of character and I love how it fits. Oversized and extended sleeves, this thing is killer. Now, probably one of my favorite details about the jacket is how wide it is. The reason being is when the jacket's off body, it looks like a standard typical jacket for the most part, but when you actually have the jacket on with your arms down, it creates this effect where it flares out at the bottom. Yeah, man, this thing just looks so sick on, and it allows you to have extra room for layering like a hoodie underneath. So as I've already stated, this is a very detail-oriented piece, and just like all the products from Minimal, the quality is very good, especially given the price point. All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, as it does let us know to keep the content coming. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about the jacket, how it fits, how it looks, and if you plan on purchasing one. As already stated, be sure to hit the link in the description if you have any interest at all, because again, this is going to be a very limited garment, and I assure you, you do not want to miss on it. The quality, the build, the material, everything about this jacket is just incredible. So again, be sure to hit that link in the description and sign up for notifications. Now, with all that being said, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by yet again, another Minimal Mondays. I will see you guys again next week.